All right, so now I'm going to talk about restoring some of those files that we backed up onto the USB flash drive. So we're going to perform a controlled start. All right, and this is going to kind of simulate us losing those files. All right, so I got my manual switch power on and off. So it's going to take a little bit to boot up. So these are some of the files that are permanently backed up to the robot. Of course, not all files are backed up, and that's why we're doing a file backup to protect some of those files that we would lose if we were to lose, our temporary our battery backed up memory. So what we're going to do now is we're going to hit menu and we're going to go down to file. So as you can see here, there's some different options. There's type, directory, load, restore, and utility again. We're going to hit restore, all right? And we're wanting to get all those files that we lost, so we're going to go down to all the above. And yes, we're going to overwrite that. So now it's starting to back up some of those files, and like I was saying, not all files on the robot are backed up to the flash drive. A lot of them are permanently backed up to some of the storage in the controller, but that's not everything. Not everything is battery backed up. Some it's permanently backed up to the robot, like some of the key software aspects of the robot. And as you see, it's kind of taking its sweet time, just backing everything up. All right, so now we got everything restored. So we're looking pretty good. Now we're gonna move on to starting this back up. So we're gonna start this robot cold. So when you perform a cold start, you're gonna wanna hold the previous and the next button. And it's gonna take a little bit of time to boot it back up. All right, so now it's starting to boot back up. Awesome. All right, so now we're back where we were, and we hit select, and we got all of our jobs, and everything's all gravy.